Hi friends, this video shows how to enable DHCP. Go to settings, set settings icon from top right corner. Go to network and internet. Set connected Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi 2024. That is the name of the Wi-Fi network that I am using. Set it. Here you can see the current IP address 192.168.1.12. Go down. See, IP settings is static. So this is a static IP address 192.168.1.12. Let me enable DHCP. Go down, set IP settings. Here I am going to change IP settings to DHCP. Done, saved. Then go back. Here you can see IP settings changed to DHCP. Go to top. Here you can see the new IP address 192.168.1.7. This is a new IP address assigned by DHCP. This way we can enable DHCP. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.